Jeez, say it again.
Where'd my lighter go?
Oh, you can't find your freaking lighter or what?
No.
Is it videoing?
Yeah.
I got you. I got you.
You probably lost your lighter. What the heck? Oh, here we go. Get out of the way, Jason. What the heck? Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh!
Wow.
We'll get some weight somehow.
You don't be able to get that, Jason, if you need my help.
Back him up!
Back up! Now, this guy's a big boy, too. Look at him, man. He's nuts.
Coming over your head.
Oh, sorry. Look at this guy. He's freaking nuts, man. Air conditioner in the back end of the truck. Wait until the shit flies out of the back end of the truck.
No, he's got it trapped.
We're doing a twofer.
You doing a twofer? Really?
Hopefully, anyway.
Are you not a kicker in the nuts when you do this, or what? Alright, I'm getting back now. Fuck this.
This is what you call redneck truck. Redneck truck pull.
Redneck demo.
Alright, Chuck, holler when you go do this.
Nope.
Oh, what the heck?
Back her up. Good. Time. We'll have to do one at a time. Yep.
Really? Ah. Got the chain hooked up there, right?
We'll find out.
Now you gotta scream and holler. Nope. Broke. Oh shit.
Hey, come on, Jerry.
Back her up. Yep.
Oh my goodness. Really, Chuck? Say hi, Chuck.
Ah!
Better get out of the way, Jason.
Clear!
Oh, there's one. What the heck?
Yep.
Alright, this is it. We're gonna get another one, aren't we?
Up.
Alright.
Come up, right?
I even took out a low range.
You even took it out at low range. What for?
Clear. More fun.
This is wrong.
This is wrong in so many ways. Oh, what do you think of number 71 here?
I didn't go off-roading 2 weeks ago.
Well, now you're doing it now.
Yep. Yeah, I don't get it.
Alright, we're done.
Yep. Hey, at least we got a decent load now.
What the hell? You even tore the auger out.
Yep. Ripped the auger out. Ripped all the paneling down.